Hi everybody, a very good evening, 4 p.m. by the watch. I am Jasleen Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. And I'm hoping everybody had a great start to the day and the week and everything. I'm finally taking a break on enjoying a coffee. So, um, a quick cheers on a lovely cup of coffee. This is the second one after a break of 3 hours or so. So, as you can see, you got this beautiful plant behind me. So, I shared a few weeks back that, when you go for a walk or when you're kind of circulating in nature or you're stepping out for fun or you go shopping or whatever, try and pick up plants and stuff because plants enhance the beauty of the spaces and everything where you're sitting in and stuff. And when it comes to interior design and solutions, this is not going to be anything on environment and climate. It's a focused share on colors, good colors for your home and office interiors, specifically the kitchen and the boardrooms and stuff. So, a good color to go with first to do and not to do. So, to do is to use the colors like green, shades of green. Dark green is in. Dark green in Britain and in UK, Europe is very popular. It's a color which kind of exhibits sophistication and style. It's a color which kind of also calms you down. It kind of grounds you down and stuff, and it adds creativity to your spaces and rooms and stuff. And it's also a color for rejuvenation and calmness. And kitchen has got to be a place of calm and not chaos and stuff. People have been brought up with this thing that kitchen में action होना चाहिए हर बार, कुछ ना कुछ होते रहना चाहिए. But the point is this, that if you really want to you want to be like creative, you want to have new stuff coming to you in terms of food, in terms of beverages, in terms of experimenting and stuff like that. A very good color to have is green. The second color which you can use is it's one of my favorites, is neutral beige. So you use beiges or color tones of I would say cream and earthy colors and stuff, because these are the colors which are kind of also soothing and stabilizing and stuff. They give you good energy. They are positive colors and stuff and all that. White is very common, light pink is also picking up, but light pink looks good on the furniture, but it's a personal call and stuff. The color to avoid is red. Too much of red can be crazy energy. Any which ways, there's so much of action happening normally in kitchens and stuff. When you have stuff being cooked and खाना बन रहा है, maids हैं, families हैं, बच्चे हैं, बड़े हैं, sometimes you have pets and stuff, तो action है. So if you have too much of red, it can be a little a color which can actually have too much of energy, which is not a very good idea. And it can actually kind of also be over stimulating and an over enthusiastic kind of a color and stuff. So if you're not in a position to use green color for your kitchen, the wardrobes, or let's say the modular furniture, then you can use probably green plants and stuff. You can have green vases. Probably you can use green, not a runner, but I would say probably you can have rugs and stuff which are green in color, because with the modern and sophisticated designs and stuff, it becomes easy to maintain your floors and stuff. Of course, green tiles are also in, but not on the floor, but probably the walls behind your cooking area is a good idea, or probably the cupboards is a good idea where you store your utensils, or you've got let's say your kitchen appliances, or you've got stuff, your plates, your crockery, your aqua guard, or whatever you have, you're storing stuff, departmental grocery stuff and all that, or vegetables and everything. If you can't do that also, then get going for a wallpaper Wallpapers, they are in, and the best part about wallpapers is they last really long. If you're going for a quality one, it's a one-time expenditure, and you get a minimum of 5 to 6 years of kind of lifelong management and stuff here. So these are the colors that I can advise you and suggest to you. It's nothing to do with climate. It's nothing to do with the environment and stuff. Green is a color which looks really good. It's refreshing, it's calming, and it's soothing. And it's a nice color to also have in your restrooms. It's a nice color to have maybe in areas where you're spending a lot of time soaking up books, reading, you're having chai, coffee, and stuff. It's a good idea to have a dedicated or a designated space for that, because it's a color which will actually, give you freshness and new energy and stuff. Yeah, so go for these kind of colors. And don't is also dark colors like black or dark blue, or too much of anything dark is not a good idea, because they are gloomy colors. So if you've seen showrooms and you try and ask me a question that we've seen internationally, people are using, and even the modern houses and apartments have got colors like grey and stuff. A showroom, for example, would be Marks and Spencer and West Side. They have the new Italian themes which have been running. Marks and Spencer was inspired from Italy. Sorry, not Marks and Spencer. West Side was inspired from Italy. So the whole campaign they did was with grey. And lots of boarding rooms and stuff are in colors of grey. It's not a very nice color for homes and stuff. Yes, you can have probably a combination of greens, or you can have a combination of, let's say, beige or earthy colors with a little bit of grey and stuff. It's a good combination, because it doesn't feel boring, it doesn't feel monotonous. And with the unfortunate gloom because of pollution and dark skies and stuff, colors like grey can actually bog you down. So when you want to go out, you want to be like excited, and you want to be good on energy, and you want to be feeling good, and you want to do a lot and stuff and all that. So it's always a good idea to include these kind of creative colors which give you that push and energy. When you come back also, you feel nice. If you have green plants, if you have runners in green, or if you have, let's say, baskets placed in green, or if you say, you've got like some bottles which are wine bottles, or you've probably got champagne bottles in green, some nice plants in those and stuff, with some nice artificial flowers or real flowers, and you do a small setup in your kitchens, in your areas, designated areas, or your restrooms and stuff, you're going to feel so good and great and stuff. You're going to be spending more time on feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. Your creativity is going to be really high and stuff. And if you have some very nice music playing all the time, positive music, uplifting music, or whatever music you like jazz can be happening, or piano can be happening, or some nice music. If you follow some English movies, they've got all this bazaar and everything. You see a lot of these creative animated works and stuff. So try those ideas, and you're definitely going to be thanking me for giving you a tip, which is basically also on energy enhancer and energy balancing and stuff. So love, luck, and take care, and have fun and have a blast. And I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, Justine Kapani, office@gmail.com, justinekapani.im@gmail.com. So love and luck, and have fun and have a blast, and cheers. A cup in shades of green is also a good idea. So if you were to follow international luxury, or you were to follow international fashions and international retail, you will know where I'm coming from. All your bags, all your shirts, all your clothes, or everything, accessories is happening in a lot of green. So my glasses are also green. I'm inspired. Somebody helped me pick up this from an international store in Delhi. So try and use the color green and tell me how you feel. jkapani@gmail.com, justinekapani.im@gmail.com, and Justine Kapani office@gmail.com. Love and love, and take care and have fun and have a blast. Enjoy. Bye bye.